In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails in Monday.com 2026. We're going to set up a simple automation that sends an email when a task's status changes. Start by opening your Monday.com workspace and navigating to the specific board where you want this to run. Automations are created at the board level, so make sure you're on the correct board before you continue. At the top of your board, click Automate. This opens the Automation Center, where you can build rules that connect your board to actions like emails. Next, choose Create Automation to build a custom rule from scratch. You'll see a sentence style builder that reads like plain English, which makes it easy to follow along. Begin with the trigger by selecting when this happens. From the available options, choose the template that says Status Changes to something. This tells Monday.com to watch one of your status columns and react whenever it changes to a specific value. Now specify which column should drive the rule. Click the status placeholder and pick the status column you use to track progress on the board. If you have more than one status column, choose the one that signals completion, or the point where you want to notify someone. Next, click the something placeholder and select the exact status value that should fire the email. For many teams, that's done, but choose whatever matches your workflow. After that, confirm your trigger by clicking Done so it locks in those choices. Move to the action part by selecting, then do this. In the action search, type Gmail to quickly filter the options, then choose Gmail from the integrations list. Pick the email action so we can compose the message that will be sent when the status changes. You'll now see fields for your email content. Type your subject and message clearly so the recipient immediately understands what changed. Keep it short but informative, and include any context that helps, like the nature of the update or next steps. For the recipient, click the Someone field and choose Me. This is perfect if you want a personal alert, and you can always adjust recipients later as your workflow evolves. To finish, click Create Automation. That's it. Your board now includes a rule that listens for a status change and, when it matches your selection, triggers Gmail to send your message to you. From here on, every time that status is updated to the value you chose, your email will go out automatically,